Welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to create bottom picker in your Flutter application. Bottom picker provides you an easy way to create a bottom item picker such as country or date time picker with minimum parameters. In today's tutorial, I will be using this bottom picker package which you can find in pub.dev. This package provides lots of features which you can look at the demo in the documentation. Next, we will be adding this package dependency into our Flutter project. To prevent any version conflict, make sure you are using the same environment SDK as mine. So in today's tutorial, I will be creating a date time picker that allows user to select a date and scroll through different day, month, and year easily. Here I have created a simple Flutter application that only has an elevated button. Now I will be creating the date picker function. This bottom picker requires build context, so don't forget to add the context into the function parameter. So to create a date picker from the bottom picker, we have to call bottom picker.date function. Don't forget to import the package library. Next, I will be adding the required parameters for this function, which is the title. Title is the only required parameters for this date function. However, this package comes with a lot of customization. So now I will show you some basic customization that you can add to your date picker. Firstly is the date order. You can select the date order in different format. For example, date, month, year, or month, year, date, depends on your needs. Next, we can add customization to the picker text style. You can easily change the font color, font size, and so on. Not only that, you can change the text style for the title as well. Title is the string that you provided above, and this text style will only apply to the title. Next, I will be adding an onChange function, and this onChange function will return the value that is picked by the user. Whenever the user scrolls through the date picker, it will update the value real time, which you can get the value to display and make further action. So here I will just add a print function to show you what is printed out when the value is changed. And last but not least, you can change the bottom picker theme. You have just a few options for the picker theme. You can try out each of them in your application. And lastly, we have to add the show method for this function and pass in the context. Now we have completely done with our open date picker function. So to execute this function, we have to add this function into our onPress function of the elevated button. Make sure you pass the build context into the open date picker function. Now I will hot restart the application and show you how it looks. And there you go. This is the bottom date picker that we have created. So now whenever I scroll through the date, you can see in the terminal it printed out the selected date. One of the biggest advantage of this date picker is that you can easily scroll through different year, month, and day. Not only that, this package provides you the ability to pick a range of date. I would highly recommend if your Flutter application requires to get the input for date and time, feel free to try out this package. Here comes to the end of the tutorial. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next tutorial.